La energía de estos lugares es impresionante. Siempre te llevas una buena vibra de aquí, te llevas un buen sabor de boca. Miren toda la locura que está pasando detrás de nosotros. La vida, el movimiento, el baile. La gente está alegre celebrando la vida. Do
you like my makeup? Right there. Right there.
Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday! El episodio de hoy está siendo todo un éxito, hemos encontrado gente súper divertida, nos estamos moviendo de aquí para allá y la gente está súper animada. La gente que viene aquí se disfruta el lugar, se disfruta del momento y es gente que se sabe expresar con color, con texturas, así que no se lo pierdan, sigan sintonizándonos. Hello, I have a YouTube channel, will you be interested in it, to be in it? Because today, my episode today is about fashion and I love the way you are dressed. Yeah, what's your name?
Caitlin.
Caitlin, and yours?
Lauren.
Lauren, what was your inspiration today for this outfit?
Casual
Friday.
Yes.
Casual Friday?
European style.
European style.
Yes.
That's right. Very elegant, very timeless.
Right, timeless.
Beautiful hair, by the way.
Thank you.
And yours too. Give an advice about fashion. What would be?
Basic pieces that are timeless. You can keep reworking and interpret into your wardrobe all the time, for sure.
That's true. And just like wear what you want.
Exactly.
You have one life. If there's something you want to wear, just wear it. There's
Exactly.
no one stopping you.
Just be you, right?
Right, be
It's
you.
all about confidence.
Exactly.
Confidence is the most important
Confidence,
brand of fashion. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much for being on our
Thank
channel.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Esta enorme escultura de un amigable gigante de acero inoxidable representa la fascinante historia que convierte a Deep Ellum en una zona única. El nombre viajero de Deep Ellum es una inolvidable bienvenida a una de las zonas más peculiares de Dallas, Texas. Hace una parada junto al jovial gigante y dedica unos segundos a reflexionar sobre las ideas y la historia que representa la escultura. Su forma de acero inoxidable refleja las luces y los colores de Deep Ellum y crea un espejo en constante cambio del mundo que lo rodea. La zona comenzó con un centro de inmigrantes y obreros afroamericanos que trabajaban en el ferrocarril. En la década de los 20 se convirtió en uno de los lugares más importantes para los músicos de blues y jazz. En la actualidad, es conocido como uno de los mejores lugares de Dallas para disfrutar del arte y del entretenimiento.
Siempre hay música en vivo, siempre hay artistas tocando, ¿no? Les puedes regalar algo de dinero, pero siempre están tocando algo, jazz, blues, rock, así que disfrútenselo. What was your inspiration for your outfit today?
Really no inspiration. Honestly, I just wanted to be as cool as I could possibly be. You know, in Texas it's hot as hell, so
Right.
I just wanted to be cute and comfortable and cool.
Do you think you have to spend a lot of money for buying clothes?
Absolutely not. You never have to spend a lot of money to buy clothes, or it just really depends on your style, honestly. If you're the high-end person, then you go girl, but if not, if you know how to accessorize and just match pieces, then I mean, honestly,
Right.
you can shop anywhere and find what you need.
So that's your secret.
It's not really a secret, but I mean, hey, that's what I do sometimes. I can go from high to low, so.
Están celebrando una despedida de soltera, right? It's about, she will be a bride?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Paige.
Paige,
Candy. Bethany.
Bethany,
Sarah. Bailey.
Bailey. You are in love.
Yeah.
So, what's your style? How could you describe your style?
Punchy boho chic.
Punchy boho chic. Okay, that's nice. And yours?
Everything.
Everything.
Whatever I put on.
Okay, that's great.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Your style? If you- City.
Like natural glam.
Natural glam. Okay. So if you wanna recommend somebody, or what is the best secret you have for fashion?
Get together. Make your own shit together.
Okay.
Don't worry about the world. You do your own style.
Don't copy anybody,
Be
right?
comfortable.
Be comfortable.
Redheaded Gypsy Soul Boutique.
Okay.
Express yourself.
Express yourself.
Be comfortable.
Be comfortable. Well, thank you so much for being in my channel.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you.
I think I'm doing comforts.
Okay.
You know, I'm a color freak, so I have the headbands and the Converse to match the headband, a little pop of color. Got the orange here, but that's it, just chill.
Wow.
This is chill.
And could you mention any brand that you are using?
Oh, brand. Okay, so these are from Madewell.
Uh-huh.
This is Zara.
Okay.
This is from this online shop. It was a black-owned shop, and unfortunately, why can't I remember? I got it like 5 years ago, so I don't remember. And then Converse, of course, the Chuck Taylors.
Beautiful. I love your outfit. And what about you?
The same, well, comfort. But I also like to have a little long sleeve in case it gets cold at night. Nike, and ASOS. That's
ASOS.
simple,
Oh, ASOS. ASOS is a really good brand.
ASOS, yeah, I love it.
And really
yeah.
inexpensive, right?
Yeah, very inexpensive and easy. 2 free day shipping, so yeah.
Okay, if you want to recommend Dallas or Deep Ellum, what would you say about Deep Ellum?
Okay, you go.
In terms of style, tons of different, like, it's very versatile. So you can come here in sweats, or you can be like in stilettos and like leather, and it all just meshes together. So it's like a big like mesh pot of culture, fun, food, experiences, life. It's just amazing.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much for the interview.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye. Wansi?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I am a social media manager.
Social media manager. Yeah. How would you describe your outfit? Oh my God.
I feel like it's very comfortable, but it's summer, it's hot, and I just wanted to feel sexy but comfortable.
Sexy and comfortable.
Yeah, with a little bit of elegance.
Exactly. Yeah. What would you your secret of fashion or for?
I would say just having fun.
Having fun.
Expressing myself through clothes. If I'm like feeling like I want to be a powerful woman, I'll suit up. And sometimes I will wear color because I'm feeling sad.
Exactly.
So it's a way to express my emotions.
So when you are sad, you express your emotion with more color, being more colorful.
Yeah, like clothes carry an emotional life of their own. So whatever I'm wearing is very intentional.
Thank you so much for being on my channel.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
About fashion?
About fashion.
We look like crap.
No, you look good and you look beautiful together.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you will be interested to be in it? Okay. Okay, what's your name?
Memphis.
Memphis?
Marnie.
Marnie. How would you describe your style?
Free.
Free?
I would say 80s. Because I'm 51 years old, so it's very 80s and modern.
Are you serious? 50 years old? You look like 40.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, wow. Now I'm impressed. I feel like 60 today. But I love your outfit. I love that you are being very casual, being relaxed. So if you have to recommend somebody, what would be your secret or your advice about fashion?
For me, I just open up my closet and look whatever looks comfortable for the day.
Whatever looks comfortable?
Oh, I completely agree. It's comfy casual.
Comfy is better than anything.
I can put a different pair of shoes on and look completely different.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much for being on my channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too.
Hey, it's my birthday, man.
It's your birthday.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan.
Yes.
My name's Declan.
Jacqueline. Kaylin.
Sam.
Todd. Preston. Jake. I'm Cole.
Okay, how would you describe your style?
My style.
Or the style that you're wearing.
I'm a ska punk.
Okay.
Ska punk.
And yours?
An alcoholic.
Alcoholic, that's great.
Basic.
Basic.
This is pretty high pace right now, I'm not gonna lie.
Perfect.
Chaotic right now.
Okay.
We don't look like we go together really, I don't think.
But you're really great. You're really great friends, right?
Yeah.
My style is mine.
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh, yours, exactly.
Just that.
That's how you express yourself.
Yeah,
You.
my style. Yeah.
Okay. What would be the best advice? Okay, another advice that you have or a secret weapon for fashion. What would be?
Wear whatever you want and don't care what people think, because if you feel good in it, then it's yours.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Anybody that wanna give us another advice?
Jake B?
Yeah.
Man, don't listen to what other people say about you. Don't listen.
You gotta be your own character.
You gotta be your own character. You gotta dress how you want.
You have a great style.
Thank
you
you.
never change it. Thank you so much.
No problem.
And happy birthday.
What's your YouTube channel?
Manuel Silva is about photography and makeup, but today is about fashion.
Okay.
This is about fashion.
Can I pull it up real quick?
Yes, please.
My name Tommy.
Tommy?
Yeah, from Michigan.
Okay, from Michigan.
Opening up a clothing store too. So
okay.
Fashion is my thing. My style is just everywhere, man. It's Michigan.
Michigan.
My style is a Michigan style.
Okay, perfect.
So
how old are you?
Different. How old am I? 30.
30?
Yeah.
Wow, you look younger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your channel?
What's
your channel? What is it?
It's Manuel Silvan.
Okay.
Manuel Silvan. Okay. It's about photography and makeup, but the episode today is about fashion.
It's about fashion? I see you running around, going to the shit. I like that. I see you out there, yeah.
Alicia.
Alicia?
Liverin.
How would you describe your style?
You can go first. Okay. My style right now is casual cute. Very jean shorts, Air Forces, a nice top, just something that I can go out and have fun with, but I don't feel too dressy. Especially for the area too. Mm-hmm. So like, I don't want to be like heels and anything in this area because I'm walking everywhere. So definitely just casual cute.
Casual cute, okay. Mm-hmm. And yours?
I would definitely say I'm like sporty cute with the sneakers, person to a fanny pack, jean shorts, kind of what you said. But yeah, you don't want to be heels in Deep Ellum, no.
Exactly, so you want to be comfortable all the time.
Yeah.
Or any advice that you want to give about fashion?
Less is more in my opinion.
Less is more in your opinion?
It's all about the purse.
About the purse, yeah. And it has to be colorful,
yes,
right?
It has to pop.
Exactly. Thank you so much for being in my channel.
Thank you.
It's about fashion.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name?
Becca.
Becca.
Yes.
Well, how would you describe your style?
Oh gosh, that's a hard question. Very basic, I feel like.
Okay.
I like the basics. Something that I'm comfy in. Basic. I think functionality is key. Something that you can like feel comfortable in, move in. I mean, I'm at work.
You're at work. Oh wow, we're taking your time.
No, you're good. We're closing anyway. So
we love the pink bike.
Yes, that's bracelets.
That's the style. Oh, is his?
Yes.
Oh wow, he has to be in it then. Thank you so much for being in my channel. Bye. Pues creo que esta noche ha sido un éxito. La verdad que nos divertimos mucho en este episodio. Ha sido grandioso mirar la vitalidad de toda esta gente joven que se divierte, que está siempre activa. La verdad que aprendimos que lo mejor de un estilo es ser tú. No tienes que ser nadie más, no tienes que tratar de ser nadie más y siempre la comodidad. Recuerden que siempre sean ustedes y se respeten a sí mismos y muestren y se expresen tal como son. Así que esto fue todo un éxito. Yo me despido dándole las gracias. No se les olvide suscribirse si les ha gustado este episodio. Por favor, suscríbanse, activen la campanita para que le avise de nuevos videos y no se les olvide comentar qué quieren mirar en los próximos videos. Así que les espero en el próximo episodio. Les quiero. ¡Chao!